Hello, this is a daily analysis for the Money Squared platform, trading platform. We're gonna do here trading channel, not platform. We're gonna do here on GBPJPY. Yesterday we said that we expect this week to come up down, but first to create a wick. So we all already going potentially creating a wick in daily for the weekly. The daily was bullish but didn't break the previous day's high here, so unless this high is not broken, the price remains bearish for today for this direction. 4 hour is very strong, doesn't have a big wick. It came initially, we had a range here, and then we thought when it breaks this range we cannot take a buy. Let's go on 1 hour, maybe it's easier to explain, and then we're gonna come back again in 1 hour. So we had this range here on the weekly analysis, we broke above, came back, closed, and then we had on the 30-minute this here. We created this clean traffic to the downside, so our range now was this one on the pre-London and London open. So price, as soon as it breaks above this high here, price was in this range, came back, broke above, closed with this huge wick, start coming bearish inside the range, closed inside the range, formed a new range, created clean traffic here. So still we just needed to wait from one of the ranges levels to be broken and then take either sell or buy. In this case we broke the high here, and we anticipated that with the London volume that is coming, price can come up, fill this level here, and then potentially fill this wick till this resistance. So price moved all the way 150 pips on the pre-London and London open. So now we are in 1 hour, we are inside the new range, but the trend even in 1 hour hasn't changed. Why? Because this is the low, and the base that this low was created is this. So unless this base here, unless this level is not broken here, still price remain on a downtrend. So we still think for sells today on a 4 hour. Let's go quickly on a 4 hours, so then we go on lower time frames. On a 4 hour we have this box here, which is can reject at any times because it's on a range. So even though 4 hour is very strong, I'm not planning to take buys unless we clearly break above this lower high here. Then we can take buys for this range here. Let's go again in 1 hour time frame. Here we have clean traffic here for buys. I'm looking for buys only if we break above this level, and potentially we need with New York volume or some high volume times to do this move, because we already moved a lot. So in low volume times I don't think we have enough power to go up, so we need to wait for sells, which I'm looking for because that's our trend at the moment. I would be for sure taking sells below this low here. I'm waiting for a clean rejection around this level here, whether it's here, whether it's here, whether it's here. I'm waiting for a strong bearish candle close on 30 minutes, and then as soon as the low of that candle is breaking, or as this low is breaking, we're gonna take some sells. So yeah, this is for the GJ. For gold on the other hand, gold is in this range. When we did the analysis, the price is a very bullish momentum, but candle open like this, start to come to retrace, potentially is going to create a wick on the weekly if gold decided to continue up. However, sells can be below this level here, above this level. I don't think the sells are very convenient. However, it's 100 pips to that level, so we need to check, yeah, until this level. So we can, for here we can come fill this level and then still come back up. Just create this wick on the daily and weekly time frame, still come back up, create a retracement because gold is all just moving up, so we needed this retracement. So if we get a closure here on the lower time frame, we might take a sell till but you see sells are a bit tricky here. From here to here is 60 pips, is 90 pips from here, so sells are tricky because we have rejection here, rejection, any candle can just come up and then come inside the range again, so we need clean closures. I don't want to be impulsive and at least a 30-minute candle. The previous 30-minute has no wick, so at least a 30-minute candle below these wicks here. When we close below these wicks, we still have a 50 pip to 80 pip range of trading, so I'm looking for that. For buys, only above here or only above here, so gold is not very it's not very convenient today. It doesn't have a very good setups today to trade, so yeah. GJ is retracing. We need to see how it reacts, how it closes. This strong, if we close this 30 minutes strong, bearish, then the next 30 minutes like this, next 30 minutes to come. As soon as it starts to create the upper wick, as soon as it breaks these lows, I'm gonna take sells potentially to this level, but I'm gonna be break even when we reach this level here. So yeah, these are the setups, but I'm gonna do also videos for the trades that I take, but this is for the daily analysis video on GJ and gold, what I'm looking for today and what I am thinking. So let's just mark up quickly here and here. On gold, I think we have the markup already, so yeah, these are the trade regions that I'm looking for. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe to support the channel.